Hey everybody, this is a little update on my Deformed Cartoon group build. I'm doing that Mad Maestro Limburg kit. So I got most of them glued together and started painting. The artwork shows them as orange. I'm kind of going to do them like an alligator or a lizard. And it's supposed to eventually move like that, and then its head wiggles around. This is its head. Got like a little beard stubble down there. Get some dry brushing. I gotta do a lot more work to him. This is just the base colors. And then his hat, and then he's supposed to have like red hair. You're supposed to wrap around that, put the hat on. So I just got a base coat on that. Here's the motor. It actually goes down below. I have to solder up the connection, so I have to take my soldering gun out. And then the little switch that will go on the back. You're supposed to solder wires to that as well. But right now that's probably going to need a little bit of a shim because it's not really making a good connection. So I'll probably shim that a little bit so that way it kind of clicks in. So there's that. I need soldered as well, and then there's two of these that go on the base. Those need soldered. And then I need to paint these. This is this little music stand. That goes somewhere up there. This one goes on the foot on the inside that matches the motor. Has some teeth. I gotta paint them white before I do it. He has a little cane, and then he has a little cigarette holder. So that would be a cigarette go in his mouth. Do it like that. So I think the cane somewhere goes in his hand. But there's that. Getting there. Got the base all dry brushed. Haven't really been spending a whole lot of time on it. Wish I'd been spending a little bit more, but it's almost there. It'll be cool when it's done. So hopefully you enjoyed my little update on the Deformed group build. So until next time, hope you guys have a good one, and see you later. Bye.